All right. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the New York Live. It is 8 a.m. and the energy levels are down. Not just got a stomach pain suddenly here. Maybe some food item. All right. So let's get started off with the discussions. We're going to cut down the sessions to less than 10 minutes now. It's really effective, I think. So we'll discuss euro, we'll discuss about GBP USD, and then metal, gold, and the dollar index, four charts, right? So let's get started. And once again, thank you for spreading the word. Uh, this means a lot to me. Why? Because if you're sharing and spreading this, uh, seeing subscribers slowly but steadily being added. A warm welcome to all of you. Feel free to view all the different playlists that we are creating, and we'll be adding many more playlists individually. We just started yesterday with a couple of them, but we're going to increase the instruments, and it will be case studies with perfect or near perfect wave counts. All right, let's get started, brothers. So finally, back to square one. Euro USD rallies. We went long slightly earlier, but that has made money. It's made less though, but it's made. And after that, we are now again short from just about 2008 or 2015 levels. Can remain short. What would I think as far as the wave structure is concerned? Lower degree 5 waves worked out perfect. So wave 4 and fifth wave. I can easily label this as wave A now. And if you look at the structure until now, it's been a corrective as well. A, B, C. Please go through the videos. Educational videos have been completed and posted as promised. It has taken 5 more days, but what was promised has been delivered. The Christmas gift. Do enjoy those videos, and you'll definitely understand what we are talking here. So we've got capital A, we've got capital B, and the corrective drop. The corrective rally seems to be over. Absolutely matching out with the Fibonacci ratios as well, I think. There you are, almost a 61.8%. By all means, if this wave count is correct, we should be seeing prices dropping below 1.1900 before it finally rallies one last time. All right. So, yes, as I said, there are few uncertain things which are happening, which is not expected to happen, but not everything is in your control. So, trading point of view, I was not able to focus just for a few hours for the trade calls because I just got a bit upset what was going on. But we'll find a solution very soon. Until the time we find out, let's continue what we have been doing till now. We've got the entire year to cover up, and we've got to make money for ourselves. All right. So, trading point of view, good to remain short with the stop loss above 2100. All right. Don't take this as any incentive or malicious intentions that why I'm asking you to sell. It's just about the education stuff. All right. So please take it that way and use it as an informed to make an informed decision on your trading accounts, brothers. I'll be waiting for to hear from you on the educational videos for any inputs or comments or anything that you want more. Always feel free to get in touch with me. Okay, pound. We were talking about a lower degree wave 1 and then wave 2. That is okay. And then if you see wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 done, so that is 1 of 3 I would say, and then 2 of 3, the third of third wave should by all means continue dropping lower. 1.33 is what we are expecting pound to hit in the near term. The long-term positional call, we are already short from 34.50.60, stop around 36.50.60 with the target of 2800 levels. That is what we have traded and recommended till now. Gold, just a few hours back during the the UK live, we were talking about a potential rally that the metal could actually make just about the 26 mark. I think it has achieved that, alright. But if you look at the smaller time frame, the 15 minutes chart, then it has done waves 1, 2, 3, it's working on wave 4. There might be one more push just around the vicinity of 1328 or 29 to complete the 5 waves impulsive structure. That should rather complete the entire rally that began from around 1236, all right, and should help us sell the underlying again with a resistance or the stop loss going above 1357. We tried to sell, but we refrained and intentionally refrained to sell at this price or more. Maybe we can sell just about 1327 or just above that. All right. So watch out for selling gold again, going on the short side. Dollar index, wonderful wave structure just opposite the Euro USD. That is the 5 waves impulse. Can you count waves now? Alright, let's do it quickly. That's wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if it is 5, it's followed by A, B, C and a 5, 3, 5. We just discussed about a zigzag, isn't it? So if you want to label this chart, maybe you can go ahead and label a capital A there and then a capital B here, most probably it's giving rise to a capital C just above the 9260 mark. Alright, we've not traded gold, dollar index, but it should be on the long side if you wanted to trade with the stop just below 91.75 and the target above 92.70. Alright, so that's about it for this session. 4 trades. Crude oil we're not touching right now. I'll be waiting for a complete reversal pattern before we go short again. At least we need to see a break below 63.30. Right, but it's more or less due on the south side now. Just wait for a few more hours, let the 3063 handle be broken, and again enter on the short side. Alright, so let's bring this session of the New York live to a pause again, and I'll be back on schedule tomorrow 2:30 AM Eastern UK live. Alright, until then, good luck to your trades, brothers, and take care and God bless. Don't forget, like, share and spread the word, and if you're not yet subscribed, kindly do so. Thank you so much.